Hey folks, today is April the 15th. It's currently 6:24 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Agimat EA week number 55 live testing review. If you guys recall, last week we earned 1.24%, and the week before that was a pretty big loss of 13.52%. Let's see if we were able to make some of that back this week. Hopefully we at least hit our 1% goal. All right, so it looks like things are definitely pointing in the right direction. And at present, we are up 70.31%. Let's go ahead and see what we did for the week. All right, so for the week, we actually earned 1.37% or $94.96, which is $10.22 more than what we earned last week. So definitely happy to see that. And as we can see here, we obviously have not gotten out of those Euro-Japanese yen trades, as we can see. Well, we'll take a look at that after we jump into the VPS here. But at present, for the month of April, we are now up 2.63%. And there are 2 more weeks to go in the month of April. So we'll see if we're able to pass that 4 or 5% mark here. So that way we can at least get up to about half of the loss of last month, which was 11.51%. So hopefully we can at least get up to, like I said, the 5% mark, which will almost cut in half this loss we took in March. All right, let's go ahead and step back here. All right, so we have 2 to review here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check the news out so we can jump into the VPS. As we can see here, nothing on Monday. On Tuesday, we had core CPI out of the U.S. On Wednesday, we had core PPI out of the U.S. On Thursday, let's see here, unemployment claims and retail sales. And Friday, nothing there, bank holiday. All right, let's check out the VPS and see what happened this week. So as we can see here, we really needed Euro-Japanese yen to push down for us, and obviously that did not happen. We can come up here and see the older Euro-Japanese yen trades. These are the ones that we're kind of waiting for them to get closed out here. At present, we kind of just have to be patient. We had a nice little spike down here. So hopefully when we open up Sunday afternoon, the market will continue to push down so we can go ahead and, close out some of these Euro-Japanese yen trades and hopefully get this down to, 400 or 500 again, which is where I typically like to see it here. And once those Euro-Japanese yen trades do close out, I do definitely expect, if we do let the system close them out, we'll definitely have a nice profit once that happens. All right, let's take a look and see what closed out for the week. First day of the week was the 11th. All right, so we're looking for 411. So we got started right here. That's the first trade to close out for the week. And as we can see, I'm just curious to see if any Euro-Japanese yen trades did close out. And as you can see here, we had a few buy trades, Euro-Japanese yen close out, $2.40 each. And let's see where some of the larger losses are, because that's typically where the larger wins are. All right, so right here, $19 loss, $14 loss, $10 loss, and a $63 win right there. And we have another nice one here. We can see it's about 5 trades here. And this $29.27 is the trade in that group that kept us in profit. And we have another small group here. 95-cent loss, $3.28 win, $7.16 win. So a few smaller groupings here. This one, actually, every trade in this grouping was a winner. So we definitely had a pretty good week here. And we even got to close out some of the Euro-Japanese yen trades. Doesn't look like we closed out any of the sell trades for Euro-Japanese yen. As we can see, everything that I'm looking at here seems to be buys. So hopefully next week we'll go ahead and be able to see this drop. At present, all we can do is kind of be patient and let Agimat continue to monitor the trades and manage the trades. And hopefully, like I said, next week we'll be able to jump out of those trades, remove that pair, and then add something that's a bit more stable that the vendor recommends. All right, let's now come back over here. We can take a look at Kelvin's live account. All right, not bad at all, 0.75%, as we can see there. Obviously, trades open going into the weekend, and so far for the month of April, 4.98%. Very nice indeed. All right, let's check out Khalid's account. All right, so Khalid earned 2% or $93.41, and for the month of April, he's currently up 3.94%. All right, so everybody is in profit this week. Hopefully, by the end of this month, we'll be able to cut this in half. I'd like to at least be up to this level right here. So we're just going to have to be patient and see what Agimat can do for us here. All right, let's go ahead now, jump in over here and see what you guys had to say. All right, 2 comments. Hi, Larry. I made 1.5% this past week, and my drawdown is still high at 39%, with USD Japanese yen being the major contributor. Yeah, the Japanese yen pairs, I definitely won't be adding that one. But like I said before, there is one other one that I have not been trading that they recommend. So I'll most likely start with that one. I don't remember off the top of my head which one it was, but as we get closer to being able to add something new, I'll start going into that. All right, had the same happen to my Agimat EA account, 40% drawdown, then 50, 70, 80, 98, both accounts blown, minus 14K. There was no hedging or money management, kept placing trades at 98% drawdown. Then we'll try again with 1K, one pair. This is a response from Dennis. Hi, yes, that's true that some significant pairs had a strong move due to the uncertainty of current global happenings. Most, if not all, of those affected currency pairs have reached the level price of reversal. For example, USD Japanese yen will reverse around that level. Your account must have leverage of 1 to 100 and above for the Agimat EA to work correctly, and the seed funds must look like this. All right, so it looks like these are the pairs right here. Balance 1,500, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. All right, growth 10%, growth 10%, 10 to 12%, 10 to 15%. If everything is followed precisely, a margin call won't happen to your success. Okay, well, this is definitely good information to have, I suppose, here. So at this point right now, I guess all we can really do is keep on moving forward, be patient, and hope the Agimat EA can, I guess, climb out of this hole that is currently in to get us back up to this level up here. Before the end of this month, like I said, all I'm really hoping for is to cut this in half. You know, if we can average around 1 to 1.5% per week, hopefully, where are we at right now? So 1.5% over the next 2 weeks would be 3. All right, so 3, 4, 5. So that would be about 5.63%. So we'll see if we're able to get that 1.5% next week. All right, I think that is everything I want to touch on with this week's update. If you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Agimat EA, make sure you send them my way and I'll try to find the answers for you. And if you want to test it out for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.